Today I'm gonna be cooking a family recipe that I grew up eating, chicken and dumplings, and it's got a little Korean twist to it. I love to eat it when it's especially like cloudy or rainy outside, but you can eat it whenever you feel like it, obviously. Anyways, let's get cooking! So first I'm gonna fill this pot up with water. Right. I need more water. Water. Yeah, you see that style? Takes a pro. Okay, so you're gonna wanna take some chicken breast tenderloins. You only really need about like 4 to 5, but I like a lot of chicken, so I put a little bit extra in, but we're just gonna place them in the water. If I can grab it. Look at all them chickens. I'm gonna add a bit of salt. And then I'm gonna turn this up. Get it to boiling. Okay, and we boil it until it's tender. Once the water starts bubbling though, I like to turn it down a little bit, maybe like medium to high or medium. But yeah, we're gonna boil it till it's tender. Look at my girl over here. She's like, it's time for me to eat too. She's got a diaper on because she is a woman now. She got her period. Isn't that right? Doesn't it suck? Here comes the other one. It's her birthday this weekend. She turns 2. While the chicken boils, we're gonna get to prepping. Okay, so I like to put some potatoes in it, and you can add whatever veggies you want to add, but zucchini goes really well with it. For the dough, we mix a bit of flour and a little bit of salt, add some water and 1 or 2 eggs, depending on how much flour you do, how much dough you want. You know, as long as it gets to this consistency, it's nice and smooth, a little sticky. But for this, I use some Korean flour because that's what my mom uses. If you have a Korean store handy nearby, go check it out. It's got like a little bit of a different taste and different consistency. It's a little bit chewier, but regular flour works. I'm gonna set this aside for later for the dumplings. Wash your hands, you nasties. Wash our veggies really well.
Bruh.
So you can peel your potatoes if you prefer it. I actually really like potato skin. There's a lot of nutrients and whatnot in it, so yeah. But we're just gonna dice our potato. Please do not pay any mind to my chopping techniques, okay? As long as it gets done in one piece. Just roughly chop that hoe. Emphasis on roughly. Next, I'm gonna slice up some zucchini. I do it a little bit thicker. Oh shit! So this is what you don't want to happen. Oh, don't fill up your pot too high with water. This is all part of the learning process, okay? Nobody's born a chef, okay? So, No. Oh my god, this is a lot of water.
Wow.
Oopsies. So yeah, once it's boiling pretty good, then yeah, lower it to like medium to high or medium. I forgot to do that. I was busy chopping. Okay, give me a break.
Take it easy.
Isn't cooking about learning, you know, multitasking? Video games also help you with multitasking. I don't know why I'm slacking today, but here we are. All right, back to slicing. I like to do the zucchini slices just a little bit thicker, like about this thick, just because it's going to be boiling in some water, and zucchini doesn't really take long to cook. Maybe like half an inch or an inch. I will add the zucchini last. While our chicken is still getting tender by boiling, we're gonna talk about the sauce that goes into your bowl after, the Korean flair. Okay, so you get some Korean red pepper powder, soy sauce, sesame oil, sesame seeds, and you chop up some scallion greens and a little bit of brown or organic sugar. You kind of just like taste it as you go. You know, you can make it as spicy or not spicy as you want, but this adds so much flavor to the soup and the broth, and I feel like it's necessary. If you want to take it a little further, you can slice up a little bit of jalapeno for the brave. We're gonna check on our chicken. Oh yeah. Yep, it's feeling tender, so I'm gonna take them to this bowl. And you keep the water. Do not drain this water because this is the broth. I'm gonna turn it off for now. Alright, so I have transferred the chicken to the cutting board and I'm just gonna shred it now. So I take 2 forks. I've actually never never shredded with forks. I usually just use my fingers once it's cooled off, but nobody got time for that. We're gonna learn something today, so we'll just keep pulling apart at the meat. So I'm gonna turn this back on and get this back up to a boil. And then once it's boiling, I'm gonna put the potatoes in. So I've got it boiling. I'm gonna turn it down to like a medium because my stove is pretty powerful, as you saw earlier. And I'm gonna carefully, oh God, oh so carefully, place the potatoes in. Oh my gosh. Just rip the Band-Aid. Oh my God. I could have just like dipped the bowl in. I don't know why I didn't do that, but anyway, we're gonna cook the potatoes on medium heat if you have a powerful stove. If you don't have as powerful of a stove, then high to medium. Cook that for 10 minutes. Are done for now. Just keep them in there. We're gonna start adding our dough pieces. This is the fun part. You can make any shape that you want, but if you want to be quick about it, you can just pull a little bit and then like press it with your thumb. Maybe don't have it as sticky as me. Okay. If it gets a little bit sticky, then you can add a little bit more flour to it to make it a little bit dryer, and then you just drop them in. I'm gonna make a few shapes. Oh, I really had it sticky, huh? See, this can be such a fun family night, you know, or couples night where you just make these cute shapes together. I always love bonding in the kitchen with my boo. See, we got this janky looking R.
It is what it is.
It's probably not gonna look like that on there. But don't do it too thick because then it will kind of taste a little bit more doughy. Okay. And I'm gonna make a little raindrop because that's what I used to do when I was a child. And if you're not into doughy, then yeah, you wouldn't want to do this. I like the taste of this dough though. Little raindrop, drop top. No! A J. It looks like an L. Wait, for Josie? Okay, just drop that in. And then I'll do a D for Demi. She came when she heard her name. See, okay. It looks like an O, but whatever. When I was growing up with my mom, I would make a letter for whoever I was crushing on at the time. And then I would try to find that letter. It would be like a little fun secret. Because they would be like, what is that shape? And it's just like, mind your business. Here's my A for Al. Little owl bear. I have like a lot of dough to go through, so I need to just like start going now. I mix it a little bit with the potatoes, keep it on that heat. My camera died. We just keep it on that heat and boil it until all of the dumpling pieces rise to the top. They're starting to rise right now. I'm gonna go ahead and dump my chicken in there. Stir that again. And just cook it a little bit longer before I add the zucchini in. Maybe like about 3 minutes, leave it in there. Now I'm gonna add my zucchini, because zucchini doesn't really take too long to cook. Just push that all in there. Maybe cook it for another 5 minutes and it should be done. I transfer some to this bowl. Need to get some of that broth in there. Now we add the sauce. I'm so excited for this. I like mine spicy and flavorful, so I add quite a bit. Would not recommend for a first timer.
Why is it spicy?
Just mix that in there. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. Let me get you a better look at this. Our first bite. I get, oh! What? I got the D for Demi. Okay, get some potato in there with it, and some broth. Okay, I can grab it. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Just like mama's. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have a meal to eat. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, you know all the things. So glad that this turned out well, and if you try it, let me know in the comments. I'll see you guys next time.